The only face cream, the whitening, treats, moisturizes, and glow your face. We're going to be making strong whitening face cream for the same customer. We are making 5 kg. Okay, this is our base. Guys, this face cream is super effective. Are you battling with dark spot, acne, discoloration on your face, sunburn, or product hardly work on your face and you really want to whiten your face? You have covered your face a lot with makeup and you're tired. This face cream is all you need. It's very effective and also affordable to make, and this does not damage the skin. This is very safe on your skin. Okay, so I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients. I want you guys to ask me question here, okay, not on my WhatsApp, because this has to do with your face. So please feel free to ask me question and I'll be here to answer all your questions. Okay, so here we have our base cream. Okay, this is 2.5 kg of our base cream, and here we're going to be using this almighty Collagen. Guys, this face cream is super good. This Collagen Snow Whitening Face Cream, this helps to whitening your face, moisturize your face, cleanse your face. You can even use this direct on your face. If you don't want to mix it, you can use it direct on your face. It's very amazing. Okay, but you have to use it only at night. So we're going to be using 6 pieces of this. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to be using 6 pieces of this to make this of production. Okay, if you're making a smaller quantity, you have to reduce it, like use like 3, depending. Okay, now we have rapid whitenizer. This is going to boost the effectiveness of this product, and also it does not whiten the face alone, it also helps to fade dark spots, hyperpigmentation, blemish, brightening your face, treat pimples and edges. Like, this is very good, and we're going to be using 3 pieces of this. If you're making smaller quantity, you reduce it. The next one we have is this Dr. Raj ampoules. Guys, this ampoule is very amazing, and it contains 99 ml. This ampoule is very amazing. It's whitening your face, it reduces and prevents dark spots and oxidants, even at your skin tone, firm and whitening your face. Guys, you can use this on your body lotion, you can use this on your oil, you can use this on your face cream. It's very effective. Next one we have on our list is this zero spot concentrate. They have zero tasha and they have zero spot, but I prefer using the zero spot. And also they have the egg yolk and they have the carrot. If you're making use of this on your lotion, use the carrot. If you're making use of this on your face cream, you use this. And if it's for hot chocolate, please don't use much. Okay, yeah, so depend on your base as well. So this base is very effective, and that is what we're using, just few ingredients. But these few ingredients here are very active. They are booster, they are activator. We're going to be using 5 pieces of this. Add our face cream. This is how it looks like, and this is very good. It moisturizes your face so well. If you're still watching this video to now and you haven't subscribed, finance, why you not subscribing? If you want to buy this recipe, there's no how you won't spend 50,000 naira to buy this, and I'm giving you for free. I mean, just face cream and body lotion is there too. So let's say you are spending 100,000 and I'm giving you for free, and you're not subscribing. Why? Just help me to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, smash the like button, and share with your friends or family. So we're going to add the ampoules. Okay, we're going to add everything. It's 7 inside and it's 2 ml. So I've added everything. So you go ahead and mix this together. Now I'll go ahead and add the zero spot on serum. Okay, this is the last one. Guys, the smell of this serum is so good. I'm going to add the rapid whitenizer, the 3 pieces. So this is how it looks like. They actually changed their packaging. This is not how it was before. They changed their packaging. So if you have used this before, don't be confused. They changed their packaging and it's more effective now than before. You guys should not mind me, but I have to do this. So guys, on the process of making this video, if you notice, I'm not doing that end the video. It just end on its own. There is no space on my phone again, so I have to delete most of my videos and start again. So this is the face cream. I added the rose water, but the rose water is not enough, so I still have to add more rose water to it. Okay, so I'm going to divide this face cream, but I want to add the rose water here because this won't contain it. So now we're going to mix this together and package it together as promised. Welcome to Nigeria. Nepa don't show me pepper. This is making third time they're doing this to me. So I want to turn on the gen and start where we stop. Okay guys, it's time to package. Okay, so let's do this together.